Hey there, welcome to the Innovation. Myself Gauss. So in this video, I want to show you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing as a beginner. But before we get started, if you are new here and you would like videos about making money online, working from home and entrepreneurship, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hop on that bell notification down below. This lets you know whenever I post a new video. Alright my friend, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first one is going to be the Amazon Audible program, not the Amazon affiliate program. Really, the Amazon affiliate program is pretty much said it is giving very low commissions. Yes or no? Since they drastically lowered the already low affiliate commissions, but their Audible referral program is still the same, which makes it pretty good, especially if you are a beginner. But to actually refer people to Audible, you do have to become an affiliate and sign up to their affiliate program, and that is totally free to get started with. That is why I really like this for a beginner. If you go ahead and Google Audible affiliate program, you are going to find this page and just click on become an affiliate and sign up for the actual program. If someone signs up under your link to an Audible free trial, you will earn $5 per new person that signs up for Audible. Not only that, but if they were to upgrade to gold digital membership, then you would receive $10. So you can make $5 to $10 pretty much per person who signs up. Now they can go ahead and get this for completely free for 1 month, and you are still making your $5. Okay, not only that, but they get 2 free audiobooks to start, and they also get to keep those audiobooks even if they cancel before they are charged the $14.95. Okay, so you are pretty much just giving out free audiobooks and you are getting paid regardless. Okay, you still get the $5 even if they cancel. If you are going to recommending this, that is a good selling point. Now for you to get started with these affiliate programs, you do have to have a website or a YouTube channel, so that you can promote your products. Okay, they do need to see that you have a platform where you are going to share the information. Now not all of them require a website, but most of them actually it needs. So you do have to go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate. You can share this with anybody who is not signed up to an Audible program. So that is the first one, and this is the Audible Creator Program by Amazon. Hey, if you are enjoying the content so far, do I have to make sure you are subscribed to the channel for you not already and like this video if you do like it. Alright, let's keep going. So the next one is going to be Fiverr.com. Now Fiverr also has an affiliate program. If you come to Fiverr.com and then scroll all the way to the bottom, you are going to see that under community you want to click on affiliates, and over here you will have the information, and as you can boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. So you can also earn with their affiliate program. Now one of the cons about Fiverr is that you have to be the first Fiverr users in order for you to collect your earnings. Alright, so you can join as an affiliate for free inside of here. After you join, they are going to give you the marketing materials and the tools and everything you need to promote this product on your website or on YouTube. Now I do recommend this mostly for people who actually have Fiverr gigs. It is all up to you whether you are fit to promote this product or not. So but this one is really cool for beginners because these commissions are really good. If you come over here to see the commissions, they give you breakdown of everything. Now you can earn $150, but these are for all Fiverr Pro services. Yes, that is doable, but it is not like you are going to make $150 every time someone clicks. Okay, because they may choose some other services. All right, so it just depends on who is clicking on your links, and you can earn $50 for any of these whiteboard animations, books, or ebook writing, architecture, interior design, game development $40. For website builders, mobile apps, and web things like that, there are even more categories where you could earn $30, here $25, here for any of these, and $15 for all other categories. You can actually go inside of your affiliate dashboard with Fiverr as an affiliate, and they will give you all the tools. If you are Fiverr seller, you can use this, can use your affiliate link to link out of your own Fiverr gigs, so that it is also a good idea because you can earn as affiliate as well as seller on Fiverr. So this one is another one. It's up to you whether you want to check it out or not. This one is a 5-hour affiliates. Okay, so the next one is going to be Blueshot. I am on the blueshot.com, and they have a very good affiliate program. You do have to have a website for this. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom and go down here to where it says affiliate, and you want to click on that, and this is where you get all of your information on how to sign up for the affiliate team at Blueshot. And this one is pretty cool because when you refer visitors to Blueshot, you earn $65 for each qualified sign up, and it could not be more simple. And sometimes they do have promotions that they will notify you about. Those promotions could actually pay you more money, totally free to join. You signing up takes only few minutes and it is completely free. You will receive a unique tracking code for use on your website right away, and this is how it works. You simply promote Blueshot on your website with custom banners and links for every visitors who click through these links and signups. You will receive $65. Help others learn why Blueshot is so great. The more you do, so the more you make. So Blueshot is definitely a good one because so many more people are starting businesses online and they are needing web hosting, and they are also very good company who has not heard of Blueshot before, right? It is already popular, it sells itself, so it is a good one to get started with. Another one that is I like is a Wix affiliate program. This is Wix.com. This is another good one because it also sells itself. They have tons of ads already out there. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom here on Wix.com, we are gonna find where it says affiliates again, and this one is a pretty much an easy sell because it is a drag and drop website that people can easily build. It is a super simple to use. It pretty much sells itself as well, and you will be making commissions when people buy the premium plans on Wix through your affiliate links. So they do have to buy the premium plans, but very good commissions. You can make $100 plus for every convert, so make money fast. Our competitive payout of $100 per sale are among the highest in the industry, and we have a variety of reliable payment options for you to choose from. And this one is just like other one, easy to sign up for. Also you apply login Wix creatives and links on your website, and you get paid for your referrals when people buy Wix premium plan. And this is a really good one. This one is Wix.com. This one is Shopify. Shopify websites are probably the most popular e-commerce platform that is online right now, so that's why I like Shopify. If you actually come to Shopify.com and scroll all the way to the bottom, you will find the affiliate program to get more information on that. This one is pretty cool because you can earn an average $58 for each user who signs up with your unique referral link. You do have to be approved for this one. They will review your application and then get back to you and see if you have been approved. So this one is the Shopify.com. If you like ETSY also has an affiliate program that is pretty cool. So when I am on ETSY.com, but if you go all the way to the bottom, you are going to see affiliate, and you can earn a commission for every one of a kind piece you discover and share when you sign up to become an ETSY affiliate. So you can promote some of the ETSY products on your website as well if you want to, and you can come over here to check out the full list of frequently asked questions. This one is if you want to promote products on ETSY, so this one is ETSY.com/affiliates. So this one is clickbank.com. If you are doing research about this and you have heard of ClickBank before, because it is the easiest thing to start promoting now. The reason why this is so easy is because all you have to do is sign up, fill out all of your information, and pick from thousands of products that are already on this marketplace and start promoting them. They have resources for you to use to sell the products, and these resources are free for you to use as long as you are promoting their products. ClickBank is really good for beginners because you don't have to have website. You can go ahead and promote. You can also review these products for free on YouTube or have a review website where you review these products as well as. So this one is clickbank.com. So this one is the ClickBank alternative. If you are in a country where ClickBank is not accepted, then you can try digistore24.com. So this is also an affiliate marketplace. On here you can sign up to promote several different digital products, software, physical products, and more. If you come up here to marketplace, you are going to see some more products that are already over here and some of the commissions that you can start earning. Go through any of these categories here and choose whatever it is that you like promoting. You can promote these on social media or a website or YouTube channel, whatever it is that you want. So this one is very similar to the ClickBank. So this is digistore24.com. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I think you found this video useful, hopefully. Subscribe this video if you have not subscribed, like it if you have not liked. So it was an outstanding session with you all. Thanks a lot. Bye.